happen to you, or me, or all of us in a world that has no supply chain professionals, because everything around us that we use or consume, our food, our basic necessities, we get everything through connected nodes managed by people who form the backbone of our economy, who make our daily lives possible.
Supply chain is that invisible force that ensures that all the products and services that we require actually reach us, whether that is life-saving critical medicines, whether that's consumer goods, or whether that is industrial raw materials.
In short, the world cannot function the way it does without us, without you, the supply chain professional. Now, imagine a world where all the individuals who manage these nodes come together through a network that helps them exchange know-how, best practices, all the cutting-edge information. How efficient that world will be.
Efficient supply chain solutions have enabled industries to concentrate on their core competencies and outsource other activities through those who can do it better. This gives customers a better choice of products at competitive prices, and businesses can be run in a more effective and efficient way at optimal cost.
That is the world that the Council of Supply Chain Management Professionals, or CSCMP, envisions.
Now, CSCMP exists to advance the disciplines of logistics and supply chain management, as well as the careers of the individuals within it. India is poised to become one of the world's major supply chain hubs, and we're excited to offer those working in the region the comprehensive menu of CSCMP products and services.
The Council of Supply Chain Management Professionals is a body that educates and networks the community across the globe.
CSCMP is unique for creating additional network opportunities, as in one platform we can network with supply chain practitioners as well as trainers and the service users.
The job of a supply chain professional is the most rewarding in the world and the most challenging. Whether you are managing your growing network of warehouses, or dealing with rising transportation costs, or pitching that exciting new project to the CEO, what is that one thing that can keep you at the top of the game? As a CSCMP member, you make the best of its global network of supply chain professionals. Your fellow CSCMP members are only a call or a click away. This could be possible if you join hands with us. Lend us your valuable perspective. Share our dream.
One of the biggest benefits that professionals can get out of the membership of CSCMP is clearly the fact that they can actually have the right forum to interact with peers across the world on various issues that concern them. CSCMP is one of those bodies that can really help connect.
It gives you the latest trends in the industry and allows you to understand the goings on and gives you the how-to tools to tackle the problems which may come up to your organization. It also helps you network with the best people in the industry who may otherwise not be available for networking.
I've studied supply chain engineering for 5 years at Georgia Tech and Stanford in the US. When I moved to Bombay, I found it very exciting to know that CSCMP had a local roundtable.
As a CSCMP member, you always have access to our educational resources, our roundtables, our professional publications. In short, you and us, we make a great team.
CSCMP has well-designed and structured program for various facets of supply chain management like procurement, transportation, shipment, port management.
For most roundtable meetings, we have a presentation on a very dedicated topic from an expert in the industry. Essentially, it is followed by interactive session and networking session. So in the course of such presentations, we get a clearer view of what supply chain is and what other specific segments and constituents of supply chain are.
There are tremendous opportunities for young people to get into professional careers in supply chain management area. The area is growing very fast and we are not able to provide sufficient number of trained manpower in this area. We have graduates in commerce, graduates in science, graduates in engineering, but they do not have much of practical exposure to the various facets of supply chain management. the need today is for them to become employable, with the employment opportunities going up begging because of lack of trained manpower. And this is something which we are looking forward to for CSCMP to provide.
I think the recently launched supply chain course, which is divided into 3 phases, would be a fantastic tool for supply chain management professional to develop their skill from the base to the advanced level, and this will go a long way in developing the much needed supply chain skill in this country.
Gone are the days when supply chain professionals were destined to work behind the curtains throughout their careers. Increasingly, supply chain managers are playing a greater role in the planning and execution of corporate strategy. CSCMP recognizes the natural leadership qualities of its members. That is why all our platforms are designed to nurture and hone your leadership abilities.
India's business leaders of today understand that effective supply chain management will play a critical role in the success of their organizations now and well into the future. CSCMP will be there to ensure their success.
CSCMP roundtables really become a seeding center for nurturing leadership qualities amongst the people.
As supply chain professionals, we know the power of networking, the power of being present at the right place at the right time with the right people. CSCMP is there to serve you at your regional level with its global presence. Whether you're at place of work or on a tour of international business hubs, you can find our communities, our roundtables where you receive and share all the information that can help your career and your business.
The CSCMP Roundtable allows you to network with industry partners and supply chain professionals in your area.
Very often when you go abroad, you do not know whom to meet. CSCMP network helps you identify the right person to meet and interact with when you go abroad.
We are here to serve, develop and promote your career, your business and your leadership skills. We invite you to become a part of our global supply chain management family of CSCMP.
And we're excited to announce that CSCMP will hold its first India conference. That event will be held June 1st and 2nd of 2012 in Mumbai, India. Now, conference sessions will include presentations from executives at leading companies like Castrol BP in India, Chainalytics, Dow Chemical, Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, Intel, Procter & Gamble, Watson Pharmaceuticals, and many others. We hope to see you June 1st and 2nd at CSCMP's first India conference.
We look forward to your presence during the first ever CSCMP conference in India, the quality and scale of which we have not seen before in supply chain and logistics.
I look forward to learning and networking at the CSCMP India conference this year.
I would expect all the important supply chain professionals to attend the forthcoming CSCMP conference. So see you at the conference.
I look forward to seeing you all at the CSCMP conference this year.
I look forward to seeing you at this year's CSCMP conference.
I look forward to seeing you at CSCMP conference this year.
I look forward to meeting you at the CSCMP conference this year.
Come join us there.